In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote impact affiliate links on Medium. You need to watch this video to the end because I will reveal a lot of secrets by showing you the right way to promote anything on medium.com. Not only that, I'll also show you the tricks I use to write article reviews that suits a particular platform. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Let's get straight into it. First, if you don't have an account, click on sign in and sign up. But I have a tutorial on how to sign up. I'll drop the link in the description box. I have logged in already, and this is a series I'm doing. I'll continue with promoting Namecheap. This page, you can go to my brands and click on my brands and all your brands will show up. I'll click on Namecheap, but please don't click on create link, click on assets. So you have a lot of assets here or resources that you can use, and depending on where you want to promote this, these are mostly for social media and stuff like that, but I'll use the general link, which is this one. I'll click on it and I'll highlight to copy, because you need to check where the link is taking people to, and I'll use incognito to do that. Paste it, then enter. This is the link. If you've watched my previous video, it's the same thing. I like this because it's promoting domains, hosting and emails, business toolkits, web security and more, even VPN and stuff like that. Yeah, when you check up here, you can see everything. I'll leave this the way it is. Maybe I might use it later on, but let me switch. I'll leave this page again, and it's time to create the article. First, you have to go to the general website, because the one I show you is a promotional page, Namecheap, and click on this one. This is what you want. When you scroll down, you can tell it has a whole lot of stuff on it, like all these things boost performance with our apps, like why Namecheap, yeah, privacy and security, your business online, all these things. You need this, and also frequent asked questions. You come here, click on it. How can Namecheap help me make more online for less? Why buy a domain name from Namecheap? These are the questions that people are asking, and they have all the answers. You have to write an article based on this. I'm not saying you should copy and paste, but check and find out what is necessary. Or what you can do, you can go here when you have a hosting, or you can go to domains and all that. But for instance, have on hosting, because this has the stuff that you can write about. This will be like a heading. However, and I'll click share hosting. When you scroll down under share hosting, see, you have a lot of tests that you can play with. See, all these things, you can rewrite them to suit the platform you want to promote this thing on. With this, you don't need ChatGPT to write your articles for you, because with ChatGPT, your article will be AI written and it's not good. I'll show you as a result. This is what I came up with, and because I'll promote this on medium.com, it has to begin with your personal experience or what you think. I'll go to Medium. I'm on medium.com, and I'll create a new draft, or I'll create a new article. To do that, I'll click on write. I'm in my draft. The title, this is very important, and this is my title. Even though it's a personal experience thing, I want to write this in a review form, because in most cases people will be searching for Namecheap review or what's the best web hosting, blah, blah, blah. As you can tell, Namecheap review, affordable and the best web hosting, is in the question form, which is exactly what your prospect will be thinking. Is Namecheap the best, or Namecheap review? To know if this title is good, I have headline analyzer, and I drop it in here. From the beginning, it took me forever to come up with a green check. Click analyzer, and it's gonna analyze, and this is the result I got. A very score is between 60 and 80%. For best result, you should strive for 70 and above, and I have excellent. They go by common words, uncommon words, emotional words, and power words, which I have it there. This is, by the way, copy directly from here, and it's the same thing I have here. I'll Ctrl V to paste, because I want to rank on Google as well. That's why I have Namecheap, which is the keyword in front, Namecheap. Then the next line is add an image, because trust me, when people are scrolling or when you have images on your article, it looks nice. From the beginning, I try using my images, but one thing I learned from submitting my articles to publishers is that they all wonder if you are the owner, if you have right to this image that you are using. And in most cases, I design my images in Canva, but I want to avoid all this doubt and stuff, because what I'm about to publish, I will not send it to publications, because with publications, sometimes they tell you how to write things. Because of that, I prefer using the images from the Medium stock library. I'll click on the plus and click on this, add an image from Unsplash, because this is what medium.com is using to provide free images and videos and stuff. Click on it. Then you have to type the keyword. Let's say this is Namecheap. I doubt if they have anything relating to Namecheap, but I'll try. Namecheap. See, they don't have it. The best thing is to type web hosting or domain hosting, but the best is and enter. See, with that you have start. What I do, I minimize the page. I can see everything to this button. You can go up here and click and reduce. So you need to check to see if you like what. If not, click next and keep on clicking. And it's always good to choose an image with a human being on it or with human on it, especially when they are happy or something like that, because it makes it more real and convincing. But what I'll do, I'll go back and I will show you, I will tell you the psychology behind what I'm trying to do. I'll choose this guy, but when you look at it, there's nothing like hosting on it. I will delete it and I'll go back, type one more time. Well, this is good, this is also good, but I want this one doesn't have people on it. Oh yeah, I think I'll go with this one. Yeah, I think this is good. I'll go with this, even though it doesn't have human being on it, but it has essentials like WordPress and stuff like that. I'll go with it. And the next thing you need to do, click on the image, and first of all, I'll copy the title, Ctrl C to copy, click on the image, Alt text, and paste here, and click save. This is basic SEO tip I've given you for free. I'll go back and I'll copy everything. I'll copy everything up to here, Ctrl C. I need to show you something. When I Ctrl C, and I'll try and check for AI, if it's human written or AI, but I'll use Billboard because it's free and it's really fast. That's why I like it. I'll drop it here and I'll tell you what I'm doing. Go down and analyze test. See, it says human written 100%. 0% of test is likely AI generated. That means this is not AI. This is human written 100%. And the reason is, when you are creating blogs or when you are writing articles for Medium, they check all these things. And if you have AI written, you have to issue a disclaimer. And when you issue a disclaimer saying that your entire article is written with AI, it's not good. It can be 50-50, but I prefer 70 human written and 30% AI. And that you have to write disclaimer, semicolon, this article is written with the help of AI. But I would advise you write the article yourself, because they will check it for sure. You see how I check? That's what they will do. I'll go back. And also, when you are writing articles and you see these red things, as long as the spelling is good, don't worry. In my case, I've installed Grammarly, which helps with spell check and stuff. But when I click on it and I realize it got nothing to do with spelling and stuff, I don't care. Like this, I don't want them to change the flow, because when you keep changing, when I click rewrite, then they're gonna suggest another one, rewrite. By the time you realize your article has turned into AI generated article. And trust me, from the beginning I didn't know, and it messed my articles a lot. When I finish and I copy and I go over and I check, it says AI written. I'm like, I wrote this thing myself. Don't rely on the suggestions and all that. Use it for spell check. Let me show you another one. Then I go up here, reload, click here, drop it. Yeah, with Medium you need to do oh, it's not enough, I need more. Let me go back and I'll try and add more and see, copy and drop it, analyze. See, 100% human. I'll go back. Yeah, if you are promoting this thing on, let's say, Twitter, you need less than 500 characters. That is, you can use ChatGPT or whatever. But if you are writing for a platform like Medium.com where people are paying to consume, you have to write it carefully. I'll go back. Like I said, this tutorial will be filled with lots of secrets. Right click and paste as plain text. That means it's gonna be exactly the way you have it from where you are coming from. This is my intro. show the follow up, and like I said, they want me to take off all these things, but I don't want. Even these are all things they want me to go like diplomatic, like official and professional. When you do that, it takes out the human vibe out of it. I don't like that because it makes it robotic. I'll highlight it and I'll click on this like this. It makes it look beautiful. I realize I've reduced the screen size. I've increased it by going up here to do that. Let me push this down and push this down. You see what I've done here? Click here to access the Namecheap homepage. This, I put it there to show you something. None of the social media platforms like this sentence or phrase. They don't like it. I'll rewrite it to show you why. I'll take off everything and I'll say, in my opinion, Namecheap is the best web hosting provider published and traded. See, I can use Grammarly app. This is the Grammarly app to correct this. This is the spell check. That's it. I don't use it for anything else. What I'll do next, I'll highlight and I'll go to my impact affiliate link. I'll copy and I'll go back to Medium. So highlight again and click on this link button and paste it. Enter. And what I do next, highlight. You can highlight and bold it. This is the best way to link or to embed affiliate link or to promote affiliate link on medium.com. This is the best way. My final verdict, what I'll do, I'll push it down and click on the plus sign and add this, and I'll click down here and add my affiliate link again. I'll say you can access the Namecheap and start designing your website free. They want me to take out this. I'll take it. That's fine. With a breeze, that's good. Then again, I'll add the link here. This time the Namecheap website, and right here it says you can. This word can, when you're promoting this thing on Facebook, they don't want you to say click or go or do this. No, I said you can access. That means you are not urging them to do that. They have to do it willingly. This is another trick. I'll highlight this and I'll go back again, copy and highlight this one more time and click here and paste it, enter. And if I want, I can highlight and bold it. It's as simple as that. Then last but not least, enter, and I need to enter. I'll add a line first, add a line, and then issue an affiliate disclaimer. Then add this. Then I'll type this article containing affiliate link. If you purchase anything via this link, you will earn commission without adding addition with no additional to the original price. This is what medium.com want you to do, and I italicized it like this affiliate link. This is a disclaimer, and most affiliates don't do this. They don't issue these disclaimers, and it's not good. It's a no on this platform if you don't do this thing. If I want, I can push this down again. It's gonna stand out, and it's always good to add the link at the end of the article in case, because when they're about to exit, you have the link. The last thing you need to do, go back and check if you haven't done something right. If you need to correct something, then try and go through and make sure you correct it before you publish. Even though when you publish, you can go back to do the necessary editing, but see, there are little things you might be missing because you are human. That's why you have to go back and check to make sure everything is good. Let's see. Sometimes you can add, stuff like this, because I have this here and I have this here. We're gonna be a bit different. You can add as many images as you want, but I don't want to. I want people to consume more. I'll see. Let me try and add an image here, and this time I'll say website. Let's see. Yeah, I'll add this one, and I'll go on top to the article title again. Copy, scroll down, click here, add the text. This is for SEO. It's time to publish. I'll click on publish, and this will be your excerpt, the first thing people will see to read before they click on your article. I remember the day I was searching for a hosting site for my website, I came across Namecheap. This is personal. This is about Namecheap, and everything became a piece of cake. It has personal story attached to it. I need to add 5 tags. First thing first, the product you are promoting. In this case, Namecheap. Even though it's not high, when you check here, it says Namecheap review. I'll say Namecheap and then cheap review because I want this to rank as well. Then I'll say web hosting 15,000 plus. I'll go with it. And website is good. Web development, yeah, and web design is good too, but I prefer website. I wish I have domain here, but this will be 8. Productivity is good, but I have only 5. So then guess what? I can add to paywall. If I add to paywall, like I said, it's gonna be limited to the people who can have access to read the entire article. In this case, I'll take it off. This makes it available to the rest of the world to read the entire article. You can rank on Google everywhere, but if I check this, that means only paid Medium members can read it, which is not good. The last secret, if you know that you are promoting an article using affiliate link, I would advise you don't add it to paywall. Trust me, this is the best way to go. Even though I'll make money when people read, but the amount of money I'll make from affiliate links, from affiliate commission, is higher and better than the paywall. When I'm done with this, then I'll click publish and send. I can promote this on other social media networks. I will close this, and this, it says 6 minutes read, and when you look at it, see, I have the link here. When you check, I have reasonable amount of paragraphs or text before the suggesting link, so in case someone clicks, which I don't want to click right. When I have it, you see my affiliate link will be showing here. Then when they click, it's taking them, but I don't want to click right. See, like, it looks nice, clean, spacious. The image, I like the Medium platform settings, really nice. See the image, the images add some vibe to it. Like I said, this is my conclusion, and I have the link here again. I have only two links, and I see some people adding, like, I only add 2 links, the middle, the end, that's it. Sometimes if I have 3 minutes read or 2 minutes, anything between 1 to 3 minutes, anything less than 5 minutes read, I add only 1 link. Yeah, as you can tell, I have my disclaimer here. Everything is popping, my tags, everything is good. And guess what? This will rank on Medium and on Google and other search engines. This is the right way to promote impact affiliate link on medium.com, and Medium has high domain authority. That's why I do it to you. This is the end of the tutorial. I wish you all the best. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.